Today, let's learn about 50 vegetables. Guess their names. Let's see how many you can recognize. Guess this vegetable. Potato. It is potato. Guess this vegetable. Cucumber. 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 Guess this vegetable.
Carrot. Carrot. Carrot.
Guess this vegetable. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Guess this vegetable. Spinach. 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 Guess this vegetable. Tomato. These are tomatoes. Guess this vegetable. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Guess this vegetable. Zucchini. 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 Guess this vegetable. Garlic. This is garlic paste. Guess this vegetable. Onion. 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 Guess this vegetable. Peas. Peas. These are peas. Guess this vegetable. Corn. These are corns. Guess this vegetable. Mushroom. 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 Guess this vegetable. Cauliflower. It is cauliflower. Guess this vegetable. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Guess this vegetable. Eggplant. 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 Guess this vegetable. Pumpkin. It is pumpkin. Guess this vegetable. Radish. 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 Guess this vegetable. Beetroot. These are beetroots. Guess this vegetable. Asparagus. These are asparagus. Guess this vegetable. Celery. 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 Guess this vegetable. Kale. Kale. This is kale. Guess this vegetable. Turnip. These are turnips. Guess this vegetable. Leek. 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 Guess this vegetable. Artichoke. It is artichoke. Guess this vegetable. Squash. 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 Guess this vegetable. Okra. Those are okras. Guess this vegetable.
Cilantro. Cilantro. Cilantro.
Guess this vegetable.
Fennel.
It is fennel.
Guess this vegetable.
Ginger.
This is ginger.
Guess this vegetable.
Jalapeno. Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
Guess this vegetable.
Kohlrabi. Those are kohlrabi.
Guess this vegetable.
Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce.
Guess this vegetable.
Quinoa. Quinoa. Quinoa.
Guess this vegetable.
Lotus root.
Those are lotus roots.
Guess this vegetable.
Parsley. Parsley. Parsley.
Guess this vegetable.
Dill. It is dill.
Guess this vegetable.
Mint.
Those are mint leaves.
Guess this vegetable.
Chickpeas. These are chickpeas.
Guess this vegetable.
Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd.
Guess this vegetable.
Turmeric.
It is turmeric powder.
Guess this vegetable.
Bamboo shoot. Those are bamboo shoots.
Guess this vegetable.
Fiddlehead fern. Fiddlehead fern. Fiddlehead fern.
Guess this vegetable.
Winged beans.
Those are winged beans.
Guess this vegetable.
Chili.
These are chilies.
Guess this vegetable.
Green onion. Green onion. Green onion.
Guess this vegetable.
Cassava. Cassava. Cassava.
Guess this vegetable.
Watercress. These are watercress.
Guess this vegetable.
Yam.
It is yam.
Guess this vegetable.
Soybeans. Those are soybeans. Congratulations, kids! Today you learned 50 vegetables names. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.